Hello everyone, my name is Ingrid. I come from Taiwan and I came to the Netherlands last August, and I studied at TS Business School with BA track. And I'm now doing an internship at Richmond, and my position is e-commerce data analyst intern. And before I came here, my major in Taiwan is information management.
Hello everyone, I'm Wan Ting and I'm from Taiwan. Last October, I came here to the Netherlands, studied for TS MSc BA program with BA track. And back in Taiwan, I'm studying in National Chiao Tung University in transportation and logistic management. I'm now in the Netherlands doing internship in Henkel in global supply chain planning and global project team. I will say that it is a good opportunity for the one who didn't have this background, but they wanted to learn this kind of data analytics skill, because I think some other programs will need you to really coding and do programming, and it is actually hard for a beginners. But TS provide a lot of different software that can do mainly the same things that the machine learning need to, but it is easier to work on a software. I will say for data analytics, this position, it is sufficient for the learning from TS.
I would say the sessions like hands-on session for the software and analytic tool, because I never used this kind of tool when I was in Taiwan, so it's quite new for me, and I can know how easily can the data analysis use this kind of tool to visualize data and analyze data. Yeah, so I would say it's my favorite part for the BA track.
From the very beginning, when we are starting to find our internship, TS provides a lot of workshop, which is including in the PLCD courses, stand for Personal Leadership and Career Development.
TS helps us prepare our materials to apply the internship, for example, the cover letter and our CV, and also how to manage our LinkedIn profile. And also our career consultant will make the one-on-one sessions. So she asks us how we apply, what's the position we applied, and what's the situations at that moment. So she gave us the advice on how can we improve ourselves and what's the directions, how can we do for applying the internship. So I think TS helps us to prepare ourselves well so that we can finally find the internship in Netherlands. I learned information management before, so I know more about the technical part. When I need to apply for the data analysis, I also need to have knowledge for the business. So I had course from TS teaching us how the business work and how business implement this data into their work. So I learned from this kinds of course. So I had more domain knowledge about the business, so I can apply these skills to my internship. So what I would advise for students who want to study at TS BA track, and I would say even though we won't use lots of programming during this course, but it's better and a plus for you to know more about how to analyze data and deal with data. So it's better for you to have some programming knowledge, just the basic one, so you can be familiar with how the course, how you can deal with data and you will also be familiar with using the analytical tool in the future when you are having the course at TS.
So my advice to the student who want to follow TS MSc BA program with BA Czech is that just don't be afraid if you don't have any background. Don't get panic, because I believe TS courses is very suitable for beginners. So don't be afraid and make a good use of every resources that TS provide. And I think it will be very benefit to you to find the data related job in the Netherlands.